Welcome to the MOOCS lecture number 6. In this lecture we will discuss what is affordance and some example of affordance. Here on the screen, same information is arranged in three different ways: 1, 2 and 3. First one, name, address to city, state, phone, fax. Here also name, address 1, city, state, phone, fax. But in second one, name and then address information is grouped into one group and contact information in another group. So address has been grouped in a one. This total consists of an address. That's why it has been made as a one object. Contact detail, phone or fax, it has been made as a one object, and name is another object. In these three objects, total this information has been given. So, and in next one, there is no object, same has been provided, but no grouping has been provided. Providing a grouping is the best way in a interface. Always try to provide the grouping in a interface. So, as per the Gestalt principles of interface. Then what is the affordance in that? Ecological approach argues that perception is a direct process. Information is simply detected rather than being constructed, and this has been put forth by the Gibson in 1979. A central concept of a ecological approach is the idea of affordance, and this has been proposed by the Norman in 1988. It is possible behavior of a system is the behavior afforded by the system. Possible behavior of a system is behavior afforded by the system means user has to understand how the system will behave. Some clues should be needed. That is the meaning of this sentence. Possible behavior of a system is behavior afforded by the system. A door afford opening, for example. Many times you see glass door. If no instruction has been written on that door, whether that door has to be push or pull, then definitely some user will do the wrong attempt to open or close the door. A vertical scroll bar in a graphical user interface offers the movement up or down. Vertical scroll bar in that graphical interface tell us that we can find the hidden information if you scroll down, or we can find the hidden information if you scroll up. That is, the affordance is a visual clue that suggests that an action is possible. When affordance of an object is perceptually obvious, it is easy to know how to interact with name. If some label has been pasted on a door, open, then pull to open, then every user will pull the door and door will get open. Normal first and ongoing example is that a door. Some doors are difficult to see if they should be push or pull, just I explained. Other doors are obvious. The same is true of a ring of controls on a cooker. How you turn on the right rear ring and etc. But it is a fact that when simple things needs label or instructions, the design is a bad design as per affordance. Affordance in a software both scroll bars afford the movement up or down. What visual clues in the design on the right make this affordance obvious? or affordance in a software, the following list suggests the action afforded by common user interface controls. We can provide buttons are to push, scroll bars are to scroll, check boxes are to check, list boxes are to select the one choice from the displayed choice. So these are affordance in a software. Link affordance. In case of a web, it is important for website user to know what object on the page can be clicked to follow the links. This is known as the link affordance. Text links or maybe the graphical links. So affordance is a very important thing that plays a key role when user uses the software. As a good HMI designer, we have to try. There should not be need any labels for the affordance. Design itself tell user that in this way the particular control work. If you attach the labels to get the affordance, means the affordance is totally ignored. Our design quality should be in a such a way that no need of some labels or any labels, or you can say there is a scroll bars, etc., to get the affordance. Thank you. We will discuss these concepts, all concepts in a detail in a tomorrow's lecture. Thank you. Thank you very much.